Ricky.
Hey, what's up, Mr. Smiley Man? You found a bouncy chair now. You can bounce it, bounce it, bounce it. Yeah, he's spinning in a circle.
Hey, baby bear. Hi, baby bear. Look who's a big boy. Look who's a big boy.
And I can lift him up where he can barely touch. You know, you can adjust the height.
So we're just testing it out right now, Daddy, just to see how we can do. I want to eat my hand, but I'm afraid to take it off this rope thing.
He's having fun.
Good job, baby. I think it does need to stand up a little bit more.
Because he can't straighten his legs out.
Yeah.
When he does, it's not. He's having to push all of his weight.
But he's too cute.